Let's make a squishy with the Doctor Squish Squishy Maker Amazon exclusive edition. First, decide small, medium, or large and use the supporter right side up for small, upside down for medium, and no supporter for large. Start by placing the supporter in the squishy maker, put on the clear dome, and twist it clockwise until it locks in place. Insert the squishy balloon into the squishy maker and carefully stretch the neck of the squishy around the neck of the clear dome. Start pumping and you can watch the squishy inflate. You keep pumping until the squishy touches the support. Use the scoop to add the squishy powder. 1 scoop for small, 1.5 for medium, 2 for large. Now you can really make the squishy your own by adding different colors and lots of glitter, confetti, and add-ins. Now carefully fill the squishy maker with water almost to the top. I like to fill right to the bottom of the neck of the clear dome. Now it helps to gently stir the mixture. Put the stopper in the squishy maker level with the edge of the dome and then carefully roll the neck of the squishy up and it will snap into place. Untwist the dome and carefully take out your squishy. Now it's time to put on the clip. So we're going to carefully twist the neck of the squishy and put the special squishy clip around the twisted neck and carefully snap it shut. After you've clipped it, you can peel the neck of the squishy off the stopper. And now you have your own squishy toy. You made it yourself and you're amazing. With the Doctor Squish Squishy Maker, you can make different sizes, different colors, different textures. You can use your own slime, your own mix-ins, and really make it your own. Have fun and enjoy the Doctor Squish Squishy Maker, now with Amazon exclusive edition.